Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. On a bed or on a wall, seems quilts have many uses these days. Newslink Indiana's Abby Walton explains how a local historic site is drawing national attention, one stitch at a time.
They came from all over the country, women, children, and even men, anticipating an opening of great proportions. These may not be your typical groupies, but for quilters, today would go down in history.
It shows that quilting is Indiana heritage.
The historical Marie Webster House is now home to the Quilters Hall of Fame. Webster was influential in popularizing quilting in the early 1900s from her home in Marion.
She was so innovative and she did so much for the quilt world.
Phoebe Smith says quilting is still very popular and the myths about the hobby simply aren't true.
It's not just little old ladies, taking little stitches to sandwich 3 layers of fabric, but it's an art now.
The museum honors the 34 inductees into the Hall of Fame. The home has enough wall space for about 15 quilts. Since its opening on Thursday, museum curators say that approximately 400 people have come to the Marie Webster House. Laughter and the chatter among friends could be heard throughout the Webster House, components the women say add to their hobby.
Quilters are just fun.
Museum manager Ann Callan says the collection is important because it preserves our history and heritage. In Marion, Abby Walton, Newslink, Indiana.
The Quilters Hall of Fame will have special hours today from 10 to 4 and Sunday from 2 to 4. Well, could we see Monday night's David Letterman show originating from the White House? Winning Indy 500 driver Buddy Rice will meet the president Monday along with Bobby Rahal, co-owner of Rahal Letterman Racing, as well as other members of the team. Rice is the first winner to visit the White House following his 500 victory since Rick Mears visited the current president's father in '91. No word if Letterman, a Ball State grad, also plans to attend. Well, now here's a look at the Newslink Indiana forecast. The weekend will get off to a rainy start but end on a sunnier note. We'll see a chance of rain most of today with a 50-50 shot of showers and storms. It will be cool with a high of 76. The rain tapers off tonight. There is a 30% chance of showers and storms, mostly early. Look for a low of 60. And checking the 5-day forecast, will dry out on Sunday, and for the next several days, we'll heat up with highs closing in on 90. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us again at 6:27 Monday night for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.